Beyblade Master X-Map. Alaban ko ngayon.
Just Achilles.
3 rounds of battle. X-Mamba.
Just Achilles.
X-Mamba versus
Just Achilles.
ready?
Set.
Beyblade set. Round 1.
3, 2, 1,
Go! X-Mamba attack! Winner! X-Mamba. And the winner is 1-0. X-Mamba wins. X-Mamba race to 3. X-Mamba.
I'm gonna change my move.
Okay, let's go. So round 2.
3,
Wait. Oh, shit. X-Mamba attack. Bro, parehas na burst. Kalaban natin. Kung gumaling yung kalaban natin, ay magpatalo.
fake yung level kasi. Third round.
Third round, score 1-0. Black Mamba
Aray.
is 1.
Third round.
Third battle.
3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Uy, tumalon si Black Mamba.
Go!
Force
Just
it! Black Mamba
Achilles!
attack! Oh, oh my God. Black Mamba.
One.
Ah!
1-1.
Kahit anong panalo, kahit anong.
The winner is Just Achilles.
Come on, Black Mamba. I'm gonna make you stronger right now. I'm gonna big you. I'm gonna make you a dexterity type. Black Mamba. X-Mamba pala. So we're gonna go now for score is 1-1.
3,
Draw.
2,
2, 1, go.
Ay! Wait. Ulit. Ulit. Nahulog akin.
Go. Sino yan? Ikaw mo sa camera, wag sa akin. Go.
3, 2, 1,
go.
go shoot!
Come on, white sword.
Come
Come
on!
on, white sword. Come on, white sword. You can do it, white sword.
You can do it!
Uy, lumabas yung sword ko. Look at it. Look at it.
Who's the winner?
He showed.
2?
Look at my white sword attack. See that? It's amazing, right? He have a special technique. Revealing his sword.